In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to is QuickBooks a CRM 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what QuickBooks can handle on the customer management side, where it falls short compared to a true CRM, and how to get the best of both worlds. First, let's clarify what a real CRM, customer relationship management system, actually does. A full CRM is built to manage the entire relationship before and after a sale. That includes tracking leads as they come in, moving opportunities through sales pipelines, setting follow-ups and reminders, running email marketing, keeping a complete communication history, and managing deal stages and forecasting. Popular examples include Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM. These platforms aren't built into QuickBooks. They specialize in sales and relationship workflows. Now, QuickBooks does offer several CRM-like features focused on customers and transactions. You can create customer profiles, store contact information, track invoices and payments, view a customer's full transaction history, and add internal notes. You'll find this under Sales, then Customers. For sales activity, QuickBooks lets you create estimates, convert those estimates to invoices, monitor unpaid invoices, and see customer balances at a glance. It's solid for basic sales tracking tied directly to your accounting. On the reporting side, you can run sales by customer, open invoices, and customer balance summary. And if you have projects turned on, you can review profitability by customer. Those reports live under Reports, then Customers and Receivables. These tools make it easy to answer who owes us what, and how much have we sold to this customer. There are clear limits though. QuickBooks does not track leads or prospects, manage sales pipelines, send automated follow-ups, log calls, emails, or meetings, track deal stages, or score and segment leads. Those are core CRM capabilities designed to drive revenue before an invoice ever exists. So when is QuickBooks enough? If you're a small operation selling primarily via invoices, you don't formally track leads, and you mainly need billing plus a reliable customer history, QuickBooks can comfortably cover your needs. Freelancers, consultants, service businesses, and small agencies